and today is theme park adventures. For today, we're at Hotel Matamba, right outside Black Mamba. And Black Mamba is a B&M suspended coaster, or B&M inverted coaster right outside the hotel. It looks beautiful, but yeah, this hotel looks beautiful, and yeah, I'm sure you would like to have a quick tour, so let's go. The first bed, the master bed. This is a really nice themed bed. It's got some curtains at sides, so you can hide from your children if you want. But I don't think anyone would want to do that, would they? Yeah, you've also got a mirror and a TV. You've also got your own little lamp. Oh yeah, also you've got a little place for storing all your bags and everything. This is my bedroom. You can fit 2 kids in this bed. So yeah, you can come in here with 2 kids and put them both in bed unless they don't do well together. Yeah, I really like this hotel. It's really good. You've got the bathroom as well. You've got this bathroom here. Showers just around the side there. But yeah, that is the tour of Hotel Matamba.